Very good morning to all. My name is Lakshmi. I'm basically from Andhra. Today we are going to discuss about HTML language. Already we know about HTML language, right? So today we can revisit that HTML language. So what is mean by HTML? What is the purpose of using this HTML? So like that we are going to discuss about that. HTML. HTML is nothing but a hypertext markup language. This HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. Tim Berners-Lee in 1993, and this HTML was extended from HTML and extended to XHTML. So HTML is nothing but a standard generalized markup language. Extended from HTML extended to XHTML. XHTML is nothing but a extensible hypertext markup language. So this HTML was extended from HTML and extended to XHTML, extensible hypertext markup language. So this HTML has so many versions is there in a HTML, up to 1.0 version, 2.0, 3.2 and 4.01 and 5.3. So now the trending marketing is HTML5 is the latest version, HTML5. HTML5 is the latest version in marketing. So this HTML hypertext markup language, right? So what is mean by hypertext markup language? So hypertext is nothing but a hyperlinks. So this hypertext text within the text, once you can click that link, it will be displays one website to another website or between the websites. So it flows from one place to another place. That is called the hypertext. And markup. So what is mean by markup? So markup language is a computer language, and this markup language is we can use in a particular specialization. We can give a one particular word. For example, in our programming we have some paragraphs. So in that paragraphs we have some particular words. So if you highlight that points, we can use this markup tag, and that will be displayed in a either boldface or italic. Some it will be displayed in a specialization. So that purpose we are using this markup language. This is called the hypertext markup language meaning. And in this HTML having so many formatting tags. So now we discuss about formatting tags. So formatting tags in our HTML. So what are they having in our HTML? Let's see. So B tag. B is nothing but a bold. So it will this tag it will displays the text in bold face. See one syntax of a bold B tag. We can use this one, and close B tag. So it will this word will be displayed in a bold face. So that purpose we are using this B tag. And next, strong. So this tag is also similar to the B tag. This B tag is a physically and this tag is a logically. It gives to the computer, it will be logically. So that purpose we are using either bold B tag or strong tag. So it will also print a bold face like strong. We can give and close strong tag. Then italic. I means italic. So it will display the text in a italic format. Next, emphasize. This is also similar to the italic tag. The text will be emphasized. It will be displayed in italic format. Next, TT. TT means teletype. So whatever we are having, the text will be displayed in a teletype font. In HTML5 we don't use this teletype in a latest version. Next we are having a bold big tag. So this tag it will be displayed bigger than the normal text. Whatever we are having some normal text, it will be displayed bigger than the normal text. So this word will be prints bigger than the normal text. Next, small. So this tag will be displayed smaller than the normal text. Then close small tag. And we are having so many formatting tags like subscription, superscription. So these tags we can use in a mathematical formulas or chemical formulas. So that purpose we are using this superscription and subscription. So let's see. Superscription. So this superscription will be using where we use means mathematical formulas for example we can use h square plus b square plus c square. So for that purpose we are using this superscription. Superscription is nothing but it will print the normal text above the normal text. So see one example or syntax. For example, x, we can open superscription and 2 plus whatever we are having next, y square. So we can close superscription plus y square. So we are using superscription, then 2. So it will print like this, x square plus y square. Okay, and next subscription. So this subscription will be displayed normal text below. It will be displayed below the normal text. So where we can use this subscription means we can use any chemical formulas like CO2, H2SO4. So for that purpose we are using this subscription. See one example. H, we can open sub tag 2, then close sub SO. Okay, it will print like this, H2SO4. So for that purpose we are using this subscription. And then next, center. So this center we can use in a document where we have some document header, some title. So for that purpose we are using this center. It will be displayed in a web page middle. So for that purpose we are using this center. For example, hello world. So this hello world will print the middle of the web page. So that purpose we are using this center tag. Okay. So let's see one example of using this formatting tags. Okay, so in our HTML having some basic tags. So what are they means? Document type. So why you use this document type means now we are using the latest version HTML5. So it will, this tag will represent a document type and version. So this is the document type is the latest version in HTML. So that's why we are using this document type. And next we are using HTML. So in our HTML language we can use in a Angular braces, and it will comes only a paste like a open tag and ending open tag and ending tag is there in our HTML tag. So HTML, this tag will represent encloses total document type. It having other HTML tags like a title, body, heading, document header and document body is also it contains. Then head tag. So head tag. So this tag is displays a document header, and it is also having other HTML tags like title, link, etc. And heading tags in our HTML language we are having 6 heading tags like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So H1 to H6, these are we are using a sizing purpose. H1 is the highest size and H6 is the low size compared to the H1 tag. So it is in the decremental model, high to low. So and next we will go to title. So title. So this tag it will be displayed in a documented title, whatever we are having in our web page. Then next, body tag. So this body tag it will be represents nothing but a document body. Whatever we are having, this tag is also contains some other HTML tags like H1, paragraph, div element. So like that, etc. So this type of other HTML tags is also containing a body tag. It will be displayed or it will be placed in only body part. Okay, and then next, close the body, and whatever we are opening all these tags, and we can close that all these tags. So this is the basic tags in our HTML. So let's see one example by using these basic tags. Open HTML, then head part. We can give title, for example Magnetic Solutions. Then close title, Magnetic Software Solutions. Then close title tag. Then close header tag. So I said already, so this title tag and link, so whatever we are having between this heading tag, right? Then open body tag. So this body tag having some like heading tags, div element, so like that. So we are using like H1 tag. We can give about a Magnetic Software Solutions some information here. So this Magnetic software, this Magnetic software provides best placement. Then close H1. Okay, and then open a paragraph tag. So we can give some information about the Magnetic software like this is the best platform to learn technical skills. Then close paragraph tag. and then close body tag and then close HTML tag. So this is the basic structure of the HTML, and we can use all elements like HTML open and close, head part, we can give a title, some magnetic software, and we can give some body part. We are using a heading 1, so that will be prints in a high size like a bold face, it will be prints. This is the magnetic software provides a best placement, and then we can give some information about the magnetic solutions. This is the best platform to learn the technical skills. Okay, well, by using formatting tags, HTML open, and then next head part, we can give title is a formatting elements. Then close the head part, open a body tag. Okay, here we can give whatever we are using the formatting tags, right? So information about formattings. Then close H1. Here we can give whatever I said in formatting tags like a bold, italic, so like that means we can use bold tag. We can give some information here like then close B tag. Okay, and again we can open italic format. We can open italic tag. Okay, then open either teletype or either big, small, whatever we are having. So for example, big tag, it will print more than the normal text like we can open, close big tag, and small, it will print a small, so we can give we can close small, and superscription. So we can give an example of this superscription. For example, so it will print so like this. Whatever we are having in the formatting tags, we can implement like this. Okay, so then close the body tag and then close the HTML tag. Okay, is it clear? Then we go to the topic is list tags. List tags. In our HTML language, we are having 3 types of list tags. So what are they means? First one is order list, or we can also called numbered list. We can represent like this. Second one is unordered list. Or we can also call as bullet list. We can represent like this, UL. And third one is definition list. we can also call as description list. We can represent in three ways, like a DL, and it having two types, definition list, definition term, and definition data also there. And in our HTML language we are having a fourth list also there, nested list. So these are the list tags in our HTML. So firstly discuss about the order list. Order list is nothing but a list of elements. It can be marked in a number list. So whatever we are having list elements, it will be prints in a number like 1, 2, 3. By defaultly it will takes. And unordered list is having also some list elements, like it will also print like bullets. In unordered list having three types, either it will print a disc, circle or square symbols. And definition list. So see one example by using this order list, unordered list, definition list. So these are. See one example. Firstly we can start with HTML tag, then header tag, give a title here, list of elements. Okay, then close, header tag, open a body tag. Here we can give a like flowers. H1 can be close. See here, whatever we are having listed tags, right? So we can open with order list. Okay, and it having some list items, so we can use a li. Li means list items. So flowers flowers means it having so many flowers is there in, we can, this is a class, right? Like rose, then close, list tag, then again open, list tag. So see this. So these are the order. We can use the order list, and this having a three types of list elements, list items. So it will be prints by defaultly like this. One is a rose. 2 jasmine. And marigold. So what, you don't give any type here, so that's why it will print by defaultly a number system. It will use as 1, 2, 3. It will gives by defaultly these numbers. Okay, for example we can start any particular specialization here, so that time you can use this. We can open order list, whatever we have type. So type is equals to, if you want to start with the alphabet letters or Roman numbers, we can use this one, either capital letters or small letters, or we can use Roman numbers also. So we can use these three. Okay, and start is equals to, if you want to use this alphabet type, we can start with the, for example 3. So we can start with 3. It will print like this. C, rose. D is a jasmine. Is a marigold. So it will print like this. We can start with, here we are starting with 3. So in our alphabets the number 3 is a C, right? So it will print like this. And then open unordered list. We can discuss about unordered list. Okay, this unordered list has also having some list elements like this. You can give same list items here. So it will print by defaultly a disk symbol. Okay, for example, see unorder list. So actually it will print like this dotted symbol. Okay, this unorder list having three types. What are they means? Type is equals to circle or disk or square. So these three types we are having in our unorder list. So it will print whatever we are having these list items, it will print like a dotted or circle or square. So it will print whatever we can mention a special either circle or disk, circle or square. Okay, and next definition list. We can give definition list. DL means a definition list or description list. So whatever we are giving definition list, for example HTML, it gives a definition term. What is means what is a definition term is a HTML is a language, so it having so many topics like a list tags is there, then close dt, or we can give here HTML is a hypertext language, right? Markup language, then close dt and dd. dd is nothing but a definition data or description term. It will give a definition. Okay, so for example this is the definition. Here we are giving the list is HTML and definition term is also is a hypertext markup language, right? Here give the definition of this HTML is a computer language. It is a very easy, and easy to implement. Then close. So like this. For example, again we can give a data term speed. Close data definition term, and we can give definition of this term. So CPU is a CPU speed in megahertz, right? So it will gives a definition term or definition data. Whatever we are having here term, it will gives the data definition of this data. So CPU speed in megahertz or RAM. For example, you can take here RAM. Here the term is RAM. So what is this RAM definition? Computer amount of memory in the computer. And close the definition tab. So this is the definition list of elements in the HTML tag. So whatever we are having definition list and the definition term, it is a definition whatever we are having this term, and it gives the definition of this term. Okay. And a nested list. So nested list is nothing but a list within the list. nested list will be displayed like a number list within the bullets list. Like see one example. Nested list. Then close head tag. Then open body tag. Nested list is nothing but a list within the list, right? So here we can open a order list. Okay, so here we can give a list item. For example, we can capitals and states. Delhi. We can close list element and then open. We don't close list item here. Why? Because we are nested list is nothing but a list within the list, right? So here we are using order list, and then we are using a unordered list. We can open unordered list. A list item is there in our unordered list. What are they means? Delhi. What is the capital of Delhi? Is a New Delhi. Then open list item. Then close unordered list. And then close list item. Here we are not close here, right? So here we can close list element. Then close unordered list. Then open again order list. We can give another list item here, Maharashtra. Then give another unordered list. Give another list item, Maharashtra. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Then close list item and again close this list item, and after we can close order list. So like that we can give so many elements of the here in the body part. So it will print like this. Here we can give order list. List item is Delhi. So it will, if we don't mention any type, specific type, so it will print by default a number Delhi. And here also we don't mention any special type, either disk, circle or anyone. So it will print like it will by default it takes a disk symbol, New Delhi. And second one what we are giving here, Maharashtra. Maharashtra, and it will print like this. See here. So this is the nested list. Go to the form tags. So next we discuss about form tags. So many form tags is there in our HTML language, right? So what are they means in our HTML form tag? So firstly, what is mean by form tag? So form tag is such a type of documents is there. So if you want to collecting some data from the user, and we can implement a form. So form tags are nothing but like a input, form, text area, text field, next submit button, reset button, insert. So many of form tags in our HTML. So what are them? Means label, then check button, check boxes. So many of form tags is there in our HTML. So let's see whatever you are having this form tags. Input, it will gives the information, or it will displays the input type from the user. And the form, it is the basic fundamental form in our HTML form tags. Text area, it is nothing but a more than it having number of rows and columns. like a number of rows and columns, multiple line control. And next, text field, it will be displays the text in a single line. Submit button, if you want to submit any form, you can submit, we can use that purpose, we can submit button. And reset button, if you want to any queries, you can reset if any form, we can use this reset button. And insert button, label, check boxes. So these are the form tags in our HTML. Okay, so let's see one example by using these form tags. Head bar, then title, you can give a title is a form tags. Then open a body tag, so give here. So firstly input, so input is nothing but whatever we are having, give any information to the server. Input type is equals to text, name is equals to username. So this is called the input. And next, form, so we can give any, these form tags are used in any application forms, registration forms. So for that purpose we are using these form elements. And next we can see one another example. Input type is equals to first name. Input type is equals to text, name is equals to first name. So we can give like this, it will print like this, first name. Okay, by using this line. For example, we can use label. Okay, label tag, label for is equal to first name, first name, then close label. You can give break tag. Break tag, it will why we are using this break tag means go to the next line. So it will print like this, first name and last name. Okay, and next, submit button. So we can use submit button. Input type is equals to submit. And next, input type is equals to either password, you can use in a label also for this password, submit button, like label for is equals to password. So like this we can also implement like this, it will print like password does not show our password display screen, we can, it will be don't display the screen, it will be displays like either star or dots. It initially hidden the password. That's it. Do you have any queries? Please ask me. Thank you.